Hello investors, welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today we're taking a look at Kellogg's company, ticker symbol K. Again, we have a single character company. So you know this company has been around a long time. It operates all around the world. It is a food company in the consumer staples sector, and the products are extremely well known. If you don't know about Kellogg's, then I would be surprised, but you could certainly do a search online and you would get a flood of responses there. Anyhow, this is a mid-cap company worth just over $20 billion. And here we have Kellogg's annual chart. You will see that it is well below all the major moving averages. And if you look at that last candlestick there, you'll see that it has a long wick at the bottom showing a form of price rejection. So it is possible that Kellogg's has found the low point here. That's not a prediction for me, of course. I do not have a crystal ball. But if we expand the chart here, we'll open up out to the 5-year and take a look. I'll draw a line here where the share price is now. You can see that for the vast majority of the time in the past 5 years, Kellogg's share price has been well above where it is at the moment. In fact, it's only fallen below this price twice, other than for COVID when everything crashed. So if you were to purchase shares in Kellogg's right now, it seems pretty reasonable to say that it would be a good investment in this company at the time. Now I will switch back to the annual chart here and we'll take a look at the other technicals. The RSI is oversold and rising. Both stochastics are oversold and rising. And the volume chart shows a slight increase in volume with mostly red followed by 2 green bars. And then the MACD, we had a little dip here and it does look like the MACD line is heading towards the signal line about to cross. We'll see today or perhaps tomorrow whether or not we actually get a bullish cross there. And the fundamentals of Kellogg's are fairly solid. And if we look, you'll see the institutional ownership, it is high, just below 80%. And the short interest is low at just above 3%. The debt to equity ratio shows a fair amount of debt, more debt than 83% of other companies in its industry. Of course, this is the least concerning of all the metrics we look at here, simply because this shows a lot of equipment. They need space, they need processing facilities. So the fact that it has leases and mortgages and all those sorts of bills to pay, that's what they use to make money. So that is the least concerning part. Now the PE ratio is above average, greater than 67% of other companies in the food processing industry. Now, again, this company seems to command something of a premium in the market, and the PE has been higher over the past few years. So although I would love to get it at a cheaper PE, that's not absolutely the worst thing you could look at for this company. And the gross margin is above average, gross margin of just over 30%. It beats out 70% of other companies in the industry. And its operating margin of 10.41% beats out 85% of its peers. And that is outstanding. The fact that it is more efficient in that manner. The return on equity is equally as outstanding. It beats out 88% of its competitors with a 21.55% return on equity. And the growth rate here shows that it is lower than 70% of its peers, which a little concerning. However, this is a huge company, as you can tell by the gross margin, so it's possibly explainable. And the dividend yield here is high at 4.04%. However, this payout ratio is concerning. Payout ratio of 93.08%. That's sort of the thing you only see in REITs. And that definitely concerns me. So keep that in mind if you are looking at investing in this company. So in any case, I would certainly be interested in picking up shares of Kellogg's, and this might be a good time to do so, but I would love to know what you think. You can let me know in the comments below. And remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make these videos for education, information, and discussion. But if you get something out of it, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos post. And if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.